If you want to hide a chat on Snapchat, the easiest way to use the chat settings to clear the conversation or mute it. Open Snapchat and swipe right to access your chats. Find the chat you want to hide, then press and hold on that chat. A menu will pop up, tap Chat and Notification Settings, then choose Clear from Chat Feed. This removes the chat from your main chat feed, but it doesn't delete the messages on the other person's device. If you just want to hide message previews or notifications without deleting the chat, go to your phone settings, then to Apps, Manage Apps, Snapchat, Notifications, and disable message previews or mute notifications. This way, messages won't pop up on your screen or notification bar, keeping them more private. Another option is to use Snapchat's archive or save chat features. While Snapchat doesn't have a direct hide chat button, you can save important messages inside the chat by tapping and holding on them, which moves them to a saved section. You can also enable passcode lock or use your phone's app locker to secure the Snapchat app. These tricks help keep your Snapchat messages hidden or less visible. But remember, Snapchat is designed for quick, ephemeral chatting, so it doesn't offer full chat hiding like some other apps. For ultimate privacy, consider locking the whole app or using Snapchat's built-in security features. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Snapchat tips.